Harley Davidson to get tubs on the front. Hopefully we don't have as much rough anymore. So I just gotta, I'll chop it off at Homeboys. Gotta move this baby out of the way to take that one out. We'll take it off to Chicanin's drop shop. Alright, so the truck is gonna get worked on now. Got the Harley para que it'll get the tubs on Spanglish. But here it is, the Harley. It's getting taken apart now. De una vez también on the back, we're gonna do the doghouse. I'll try to show you all the progress of everything and how they get down, and I'll show you all that after that. Alright, so I'm checking in on the truck. It's just too fucking loud. Right, it's Chicanin's drop shop. Doing the tubs, they're finished. I don't want to say doghouse. Pod lights are already connected. Truck's ready to go. And in about a few hours, obviously.
What them hate niggas talking about? I'm aiming at you. Why I'm letting loose like Pac when he was playing on juice. It's the rebirth for the brown recluse. Shadow, let's round the truth. Hustle time, underground, album 2. Oh shit, the flow 6. Somebody calling the medic team. I'm cutting through you pussies. Call that a hysterectomy. This 50 cal extension came equipped on the Desert E. They found them in the trenches. Biggest dent where his chest should be. May you never rest in peace, cause haters get drugged. But RP flash line, my guardian angel a thug. They love when Bing put it down. I'm still gangster as fuck. Not just blame it on Shadow. I murked the track, no collabo. Straight like that, cuz. Don't give a fuck about what a hater say. They won't say it face to face. Spraying with that Drake, they levitate. Let's say I paved the way. Pulling up to the curb, but watch your kneecap when I'm stretching. These 84 so deadly, bitch, I'm poking like a Mexican. 5735 and 9-4 with a military mind. Fried smoke and Monte Carlos with shooters ready to ride. Backstage at the car show, I'm set tripping in war mode. My niggas say stop tripping, bitch, I got warrants. Too many laws, bro. My bad, cuz you can't be mad cause I act up. Tailor made by your hand. I was a little nigga, but I had nuts. I made them niggas move off the block. Told them niggas I called the shots. Broke them off in parking lots. Y'all also all the hard I got. My mama selling dope. Say little nigga go, you drawing heat, but don't lie to me. Take that bullshit down the street. Don't bring no drama where you sleep. I just laugh cause Laws kicked the door for her, my unk and me. Yep, bullet holes from 93. Still in the back room from that beat. Remember shooting dice with icy hot on my front post. My lokes just robbed the pawn shop. Whole living room like a gun show. I want the one with that hundo, so haters know what I come for. They trying to say I'm young, but I better make them run. Displaying I ain't the one. Took a 25 to middle school, first day and caught a case with aggravated. 6 months in a placement for a violation. I pistol whipped them on school's campus, blood on the pavement, and sprayed my name on walls, so now the laws know what I'm banging. Definition of untamed, recognition don't want fame. If you snitch and quote my name, I lose my temp and blow your brain. No politics, they gossip shit for bitches, ho, that's lame. I promise if I gotta go and get billing, it's over, man. RP Danny Moreno, I remember we was in the valley in Mexico with better rallies and prostitutes in a mansion. Narco power whipping lawn, he on the run for a capital. Snorting powder with cigaros, got your son for collateral. Playing cordials on a balcony, cross the border, about to order a load of bricks from Sinaloa. My immigrant he was loyal, chasing dollars on American soil. Got popped in Florida, on lock with a detainer, up in the beds and got deported. All that drama, bet I come around my block with them problems. Come out my house in my boxes with that chopper for blocker. On the run in Utah, disguised, I'm probably a Mormon. Up in the kitchen, I got endurance. I'm crossfit, my wrist performing. Niggas sleep on me, they snoring. Stop comparing me, I'm harder. Was the first Mexican rapping gutter with diamonds in my combo. Pulling up in the Gallardo, pulling hoes like I'm Reynaldo. Bitch nigga, no, I don't bar those. I'm crippin' in my wardrobe. Formaldehyde and hydro, twisted in the leaf, I feel the beef. Bumping king of the ghetto, while puffin' fried smoke. Bullet holes from the previous night, all in my side though. I'm still showing up, my gutter block, I'll always die for. ABK and Grando, my foes get